Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will tell you how you can delete a contact on iPhone. Before we start, friends, please be sure to give this video a like. Also subscribe to our channel and don't forget to record your comments. Well, let's get down to the topic with you. And it's actually a very quick, simple process. Please open the phone app on your iPhone. Now go to the Contacts section. Next, select the contact you would like to delete, or you can swipe to find it, or you can tap on the search bar at the top and type in the person's name. And now, you'll have two methods on how you can delete that contact from your iPhone. The first one is to tap on the person. Next, on the top right-hand side, click Edit. And here you can scroll down and click on Delete Contact, and then just confirm your action. The second way how you can delete someone's contact. You will need to tap and hold on the person. Then select Delete Contact and confirm your action. As you can see, immediately the contacts will be deleted by the list of all your contacts on iPhone. Dear friends, I really hope the video was helpful to you. You were able to see the two methods you can easily delete a contact on iPhone. Don't forget, friends, subscribe to the channel, also put likes. Bye.